Hi there, students. Stringent, an adjective. Stringently, the adverb. Or even stringency, the noun of the quality. Okay, if something is stringent, it's very strict. It's strict. It makes very strict requirements. So they have very stringent requirements to be able to apply for this process. The laws are about this are very stringent. They're very severe. They're very extreme. They're extremely limiting. So if something is stringent, it has a very severe effect. It severely limits. So, yes, China has very stringent laws about drugs, for example. The security measures in airports are becoming more and more stringent. That we need new and more stringent safety regulations. Okay, so for example, stringent rules, stringent laws, stringent conditions, stringent requirements, stringent tests, stringent controls, and those are a good selection of collocations. We need to stringently cut costs, or we will go bankrupt. Yeah, we need to stringently reduce our spending. Okay, they also use this word stringent in finance. Okay, stringent is when there is a scarcity of money. There are credit restrictions. So the government introduced stringent economic policies. So they're severely limiting or strongly limiting the amount of money in the system. This is a way to reduce inflation. Okay, so stringent in banking and finance. There's a shortage of credit. There's a shortage of money for loans. Okay, there's very little money available as a result of firm government controls. Okay, so if something is stringent, it limits very strongly. It's very severe. The entrance exam for this university is extremely stringent. Okay, you have to get a really good mark, yeah, and you have to know all sorts of difficult things. Maybe you could use stringent as well, talking about, for example, a stringent argument. It's very convincing. It's absolutely correct. Yeah, it pays clear attention to the rules or the procedure or the detail. Yeah, so it's absolutely correct. So if you have a stringent procedure, it's tough, it's rigorous, it's demanding, it's very exacting. So they have, in the Olympics, I believe they have very stringent drug testing procedures. Yeah, the rules about this are very stringent, they're very strict and rigorous. So the stringency of these controls is quite surprising. Okay, in times of stringency, it can be very difficult to borrow money because the government has imposed stringent economic measures. They're making things very tight. Okay, so stringent. Rigorous, severe, strict. That's the idea of it. Okay, you have stringent quality requirements. Okay, you have to be stringently correct in your use of grammar when taking a C2 essay, for example. Okay, next question. How formal? I think I would probably give it a 6 in formality. Um, I think I would probably say strict or strict requirements more informally, but I think you could use it in an informal conversation. So, yeah, use it more or less anywhere, although it's a little bit on the formal side. And then as to origin, it comes from stringens, from the verb stringo, to tie together or to draw together. Clearly, it's related to the word a string. You use string to tie things. And it probably comes from a Proto-Indo-European word, streg, meaning either stiff, rigid, or to shear, to um, cut, move in two directions. Okay, so I hope I've given a stringently correct definition of this word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stringent, stringency, stringently.